So we're looking at vector graphics. We know that bitmaps are made up of pixels. How is a bitmap graphic stored on a computer? It is an array or a grid of pixels, and each pixel is stored as a binary number. This is a change for the usual SQA thing, which is usually details of the storage. So they seem to have changed that, and we go with the new answer. Vectors have layers. They can be resized without loss of quality. They're resolution independent. They can print at whatever the top resolution of a printer is. A bitmap cannot. It's fixed resolution, but they tend to have smaller sizes. So the question, how are vector graphics stored? Pause the video, write your answer. They are stored by their objects and attributes. So here we are. Here's the circle. Here's the graphics we've got. We've got circle, center X, center Y, radius, line color, line thickness, fill color. We did this before. We should be quite au fait with this. It doesn't store the picture itself, just the instructions. And a line might be stored as line, start X, start Y, that's the start of the line, end X, end Y, that's the end of the line, line color, fill color. So there's four vectors we need to understand: rectangle, ellipse, line, and polygon. And we need to know the coordinates, the line color, and the fill color. So here's a rectangle. We get the height, the width, the X, Y, fill color, line color. So here we are. It's 2 by 5, and it starts at 2, 3, and it's fill color grey, line black. Write out the attributes required to create a rectangle. Pause the video, write your answer. We need the height, the width, the X, Y, fill color, line color. Here's a line here. We've got a line X1 or start X, Y1 or start Y, X2 or end X, and Y2 or end Y. And line color, we could also have line thickness. So here we are. 1, 2, that gets us the start. 6, 7, that gives us the end, and it's black. So we want our start X and our end X, start Y, end X, end Y, and line color, and maybe line thickness. You would of course be okay saying X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So write out the attributes required to create a line. Pause the video. And there we are. We did our X1 or Y1 to start the line, X2, Y2 to finish the line, and the line color, and it might even be the line thickness. Here's an ellipse. An ellipse is anything from a perfect circle to this sort of oval shape we've got here. So we have our center point, center X and center Y, and we have a radius X and a radius Y. So we go to 5, 5, our radius X is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and our radius Y is 2, 1, 2. It's grey, black. So we have our center X, center Y, radius X, radius Y, fill color, and line color. Write out the attributes to create an ellipse. Pause the video. There we are. Center X, center Y, radius X, radius Y, fill color, line color. The polygon, three-sided shape. We need our X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3, fill color and line color. And here we've got an example. A polygon 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 7, 3, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3. Fill color grey, line color black. Write out the attributes required to create a polygon. Pause the video. There we are, polygon. X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3, fill colour, line colour. With the polygon, remember there's 3 points. So we have to have 3, X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3. And with a line, we need to have 2 points. The start point, the finish point, X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Now this is just for you to practice. Write the vector graphic codes that will draw both, write the vector graphic codes that will draw both the diagrams shown below. Pause the video, write your answers. And next practice, draw the graphics that will be drawn using the following code: polygon and rectangle. I haven't put the answers on, but it's good practice.